Hello and welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. Today I am going to do reading for the star sign of Libra, and we will look into the energies present, past and future. See what are the spirits and guides trying to tell you and the advice at the end of the reading. Okay, we have a flipper already. We have the Knight of Swords, and as the flipper I will take it as the overall energy for you guys, and we'll see. Feel free to reverse the roles, and please feel free to comment in the comment section, and I will love to read those comments because this is the first Libra reading from my channel. So let's start. The first card out is Moon, the Seven of Wands and the High Priestess. We have the Knight of Wands, the King of Wands, the Death, the Hierophant, Empress, and the Seven of Swords. Okay. The overall energy is Knight of Swords, bringing clear-cut communications, moving forward, maybe taking a journey through to someone or somewhere. Okay, the past energy is the Moon, something hidden, Seven of Wands and the High Priestess. Both of you were hiding something from each other. Things were not clear. Both of you were defending yourself too much, not making yourself clear. Things were up in the air, not opening yes, very clearly you are not opening to each other. You both are people who are keeping things to themselves, and you defend yourself. Though there is a relationship, there is a love connection, right now you feel this connection has no future. This is your energy, Death. You feel that this is dead, and that's why you are maybe reading, looking for the tarot readings to see if there is something, but you actually feel this connection is dead. But the energy is King of Wands, which is lot of passion for each other. There is lot of passion for each other, but you people don't know how to express it. You both are keeping things to yourself. Neither you are telling them that you love them, nor they are telling you that they love you. I mean, but you know deep inside that you have a lot of passion for each other, and this is, they see you as their empress, or you see them as your empress, abundant, full, and what you actually want in a connection or a person you are looking forward. They think you are their wish fulfillment. You are the true soulmate, what they require, and you can always interchange. They are looking towards a stable connection with you. They want a stable and long lasting connection, which is maybe a marriage. Yes, it looks like they want to get married, but Seven of Swords tells me that you are, or they are, trying to walk away, thinking that this is out of their reach. The Empress energy tells me that they think this whole entire situation, or you think, as it resonates, that this is way out of their league, and they would rather take a back seat and forget about this connection, because you are way out of their league, or maybe they are way out of your league, what you think. But what they think is this: they want a commitment, a traditional long lasting commitment, which tells that it is a marriage, and they want to come towards you with a truth. And this will be a truth for you because you think there is no hope and you're walking away. It is not like that. So this is this is like an eye opener for you, that this is coming towards you, they are coming towards you with the truth, and this situation will change. Yes, this will change. Okay, Libra, we will see what is the advice for you from the universe, spirits and guides. Let's see what are the, wow. So we have surrender to miracles. Exactly, the Knight of Swords energy. There is something enlightening, there is something opening up, that's going to be a miracle for you, where you will get your wish fulfillment. Okay, let's read this. Be open to miracles occurring in your life. Feel and know that these events are real. Let go of any resistance and banish any doubt that miracles can happen. So, leave all the doubts behind. Don't think negative. Have the hope and manifest what you want. Both sides, both of you are just holding it back, that's all. This is coming, but the truth is coming. They are coming towards you with the truth, and maybe you are going to travel together, as I can see here. Okay, let's see what are the oracles of the love telling you. Okay, one card. Okay, we get it. Like attracts like. You people are both exactly mirroring each other, and this is the card for you. Like attracts like. Can you see it? Yeah. It tells if you long for more love, be more loving. So you have to express yourself. You can't hold back your feelings. Both of you have to express. Maybe the guides, you have come to this reading just to know that you make your first move. Express yourself. Make the first move. Tell them how much you feel, and they will come rushing towards you. Maybe they just want to know exactly what is that you feel about them. They are here. This is their energy. Together you are going to do this. The King of Energy, very knowing it all, very passionate. They are fully, they know it, what they want to do further with you, but the holding back is just keeping them away from this little hitch which is created here. So maybe you are asked by your guides to show a hint, tell them, maybe let them know how you feel. Text them, message them, don't hold back. Here is a lot of holding back energy I can see. Okay, Libra, this is your energy. I'll see you in the next reading. Till then, bye bye and take care.